In front of me is Realme C35, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first you need to enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and now click on security. Then pick fingerprint right here, and if you would like to add it, firstly you need to set some backup. It can be pattern, pin code or password. Let me choose pattern, then just draw your unlock pattern, tap on next, and re-enter it just to confirm. Click on confirm. And that's it. Here you can manage your notification content. I would like to hide it, so I will pick third option, click on done then. And now it's time to add your fingerprint. So just click on next and tap on your fingerprint sensor. It's located right here. So just place your fingerprint on the sensor. So it's just the power button and keep tapping until it's fully added. And as you can see, it has been done, so just click on done, and from now on you can unlock your device either with this fingerprint only or with the backup pattern that you set, so just unlock it this way. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.